Welcome! Today's project, Game Boy Advance with new screen, rechargeable. They wanted to do something with the speakers, but honestly, you can't with these. If you use a speaker with like a microphone or headphones with a microphone in it, you're gonna hear the buzzing. That's just how it is. There's probably something I can do with it. I don't want to do it, so we're just doing these two today. It's really funny because we started with the regular Game Boy. Then we went to the Game Boy Color, and then I've done one of these like screen changers before, like twice I think, and then now I'm gonna have to do this one. But it's funny that we're going up the lineage. You can tell that I like my modded consoles, you know? It's like, hold on, I gotta show you my money spread of them. So it's like we have my Game Boy Color with a color screen, my DSi with 8 million games on it, my hacked 3DS with custom themes, and lastly my hacked Vita, which took literally 5 minutes with custom themes on it. So that's fun. But yeah, so today we're doing this. I've done this before, so it should be quicker than the last time. The rechargeable battery shouldn't take too long to do. So let's get our unfortunately we don't get the fun toolbox today because I didn't really want to. I lost it. It's somewhere in it's just like I've been cleaning up recently and it's just been gone. We still have not gotten our Linus Tech Tip-esque screwdriver, so we're gonna have to go ourselves. And this does work. I did check before that it works. So honestly, this is one of my more like preferred mods to do because it's just like for how stressful it is to like I don't want to say hack, but like add the new screen on there and just make sure there's no fingerprints. It's just like, if it works, it works, you know? If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's just like, it's very immediate, very satisfying to see what happens with it. What is stuck there? We'll just move that over to the side. One of my favorite videos watching about these is like, there was this one dude that said, yeah, this is this new drop-in console riser. I think it was like $150. And I'm like, that's really cool, but your boy can't afford that. Like, you can barely afford to do these upgrades. So living in a third world country and all at this point. So, because where I am, it's basically 53rd world countries and in a trench coat. And then you rotate this out like that, but literally you can just kind of like pull. Let's do this correctly. If I wanted to do this super correctly, I would be like strapped in with my thing, but being naked on a, well, I'm not naked, but like being basically naked on my plastic flooring helps. So let us put the buttons over here. This is a very nice, well-kept Game Boy. Alright, we're gonna crack it out like that. That is the screen. Screen comes out very, very easily for the most part. Oh, please. Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna keep it nice. For now, I guess I'm gonna keep this case because this is fancy. Warning! We gotta test it. Slap that boy down on it. This is so I don't get dust on the old screen. I have so many of those old screens. I was just like, I don't know what to do with them for the most part, so I just gotta like rack them up. I guess I could like sell them, but it's like, what's the point? Alright, uh-oh. Maybe we should, where are the instructions? Where the fuck did I put the instructions? Yeah, we can figure it out. Real men don't need instructions, as Home Improvement says. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay. Let's put that there. Yeah. This goes here. Wait, so that will go like that. And that goes like that. And that goes like that. And that goes like that. What does that go into? What? This clicks under there. Right? That's fine. And that'll go here. Oh, those are like little shimmies. Pretty sure these go in like the top and bottom. Okay. That's cool. Well, we still need to test bad boy out, so we'll go in what, like here, like that. Yeah, okay, yeah. No worries. We are a-okay. Alright, skirt this bad boy up a little bit so we can, there we go, 1, 2. Always hate messing with ribbon cables because they stress me out. 3. Alright, skirt this down here, put that there, skirt that down like that. Pretty sure this goes nowhere. I don't know what that's for. What I'm gonna, or I have to dump these out. I have to. One of these days I'll clean out my map. One of these days it'll happen. Okay, that'll go like that. There is the new screen in there. And then we'll put some batteries in 1, 2. So I'm used to the... There it is. Right here. Oh, cool. And it just works like that. Oh, and there's no game in the... the guy gave us this to test it out with, so just to make sure. Yep. Licensed by Nintendo. HumanSoft. Not familiar. Oh, well, we'll test that out afterwards then. Alright, the last kit I got was an absolute nightmare trying to fit everything into it. So this kit, I think I'll just stick with this kit from now on so I don't lose my mind trying to install it. Because like the other one, immediately it was cool. It was like this one where like you could add wires to like do different things, different modes. I don't want to do that again because it was just like last time it was just a nightmare. And like this, I don't know if it was me or like the screen just didn't want to work. So it was just like there were lines through it. Like I don't know. I thought it was one of the different modes, and it was just like it was just a nightmare. I don't want to go through that again. It's just like because like the guy got it and was like, hey man, there's lines. I was like, what do you mean there's lines? Like, oh. Alright, new screen. It already is collecting some dust. Alright, put that bad boy in there. And let's put in 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time I forgot the power button. Let's not do that again. 5. There we go. Bolts on here. 1. Oh, it's magnetized. I don't know if I did that or it came like that. Or it was like my other things just magnetized it. 2. And then what do we need? What do we need? We need the back cover. Oh yeah, these are the tri-wings. It's like alright, let's screw in the cross-headed one first. Okay. Looks basically normal. Alright, so game 1, 2, cover. And that looks absolutely amazing. And then let's just make sure all the buttons work. I want to test it with my game. Hold on. Alright, my unmodded thing. Don't ever ask me to mod this. I will cry and cry. This stupid hinge piece is almost as bad as the 3DS. F-Zero. This is my favorite test game because you can test out all the buttons. This is so beautiful. I want to do this. I don't have one of these consoles, unfortunately. It looks super nice. So look how, like, look at this. Look at this. So thumbnail material. Captain Falcon. Woo. All right, left, right, still work. Pause, select, still work. Left, right, still work. What is that? What did I do? I did something. All of that still works. Now onto mod 2, which is I don't know. I haven't done one of these before. Like I've done something similar with another, but so what I was told is that you need to cut this to make it flush. And I just did that with no retort. And I'm pretty sure this goes. I'm gonna cut this. And then that goes into here like that. It said it's supposed to be like super snug. Okay. Maybe we take this out. Does it go out the other way? Does it come out this way? I don't really know how to take this out. I'm supposed to... Oh, there you go. Yeah, okay. Alright, and then it comes with a custom back to it. Yeah, it just says Game Boy. I got clear for clear. I hope it was like good enough. It's very like... And then it came with a charging cable. We'll use mine for now. So let's give it a go. Blue light, that's well, let's see if it's chargeable. Alright, let's make sure it has enough power to run a game real quick. F-Zero, this is you? Yeah, no, that's Pac-Man. Alright, good stuff. Alright, cool. Well, that was a really fast project. I will not lie. I thought that was going to take me a lot longer to do. But like so far everything seemed okay, so I'm just gonna stick the old screen and the everything in here, and then we're just gonna call it a day because I didn't really have anything else to do with it. So we're gonna open it up, probably put that in there so like it doesn't slide around, but other than that it seems we are good. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.